Hello viewers, today we will be discussing about limitations of Bernoulli's equation. जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, as you all know, the Bernoulli's equation is derived from the assumptions that we made for the proof of Bernoulli's equation. First limitation, the velocity. It was assumed that the velocity at any cross section of pipe should be uniform, but practically it is not possible because, as we all know, the velocity of a liquid particle or a liquid is maximum at a center, while moving away from the center towards the wall, its velocity decreases gradually. Thus, to use this theorem, we need to take the velocity is that is mean velocity. Second assumption, due to the flow of liquid in a curved path, the energy due to a centrifugal force should also takes place, but in the equation we do not include in this due to the, as you all know, the fluid flows in a curved path, in a random motion. Fluid moves usually in the random motion, okay, due to which the energy is produced with the help of centrifugal force. But while solving or while take outing the proof of a Bernoulli's equation, we do not take the centrifugal force in this. This is what the second limitation is. Now we'll be moving towards third limitation. We have assumed that there is no loss of energy during a flow of a liquid, but it is not possible. As we know, in a turbulent flow, the kinetic energy of a flowing fluid thus converted into the heat energy, and it is just get lost of energy takes place. And also in the viscous flow, the loss of energy takes place due to shear force. Now moving towards the fourth assumption, it is assumed that no other external force act on the flowing fluid or a water except the gravity force. But it is also not possible because there are many forces acting on a liquid like frictional force, surface tension force, circulation force, gravity force, viscous force, pressure force, and many more. Today, now I'll be ending my lecture of today. Thank you so much for listening me. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.